I bet you, sweetie, this is the most delicious and tasty momo you've ever come across in the internet. You, sweetie, you did not see this one coming. So hello, welcome back, sweetie, to Cook with Grace. Sweet. In today's video, we'll be making momo, but this time around, you've never seen this one coming, and I bet you this is the best momo you will ever see in the internet space today. So, sweetie, after soaking your beans for 20 minutes, then you pour it inside a blender. Though I've made video for how to wash your beans to make it clean in case you want to make akara or anything. I've made a video for it, but let me still explain. After soaking it 20 minutes, you start washing. This is how you wash it until the skins move out. Then we are trying to make the sauce. We have a shombo pepper, tomato, and scotch bonnet pepper, enough onions. When you're cooking mama need enough onions. Blend the tomato and pepper into a fine smooth texture. Okay, we're trying to gather the sauce in a hot pan of oil. Add onions, allow it to saute, stir it properly, allow it to saute and bring out its flavor. Then after that, you add your ginger and garlic and still allow it fry to bring out this nice and aromatic flavor. So you add a little tomato paste, not everything, just little. After adding it, you stir. So, sweetie, let me know where you're watching me from, which country you're watching me from, so that I will send you a hug in my next video. Okay, sweetie? So let's continue. When I notice that the frying pan I'm using is small, I transfer it to a bigger pot. Okay, so this time you stir. Now you get that your blended tomato that you blend with tatashe and the rest of them. Add it there and stir. Cover it to allow it to boil for like 5 minutes. Then you add your seasoning cube, you add paprika to give it that smoky taste, then add salt, stir it completely and cover. So, sweetie, if you are loving this video, please don't hesitate to give us a like, share, subscribe, and get notified that I post an interesting video. So this is another way I used to prevent myself from being splashed by the stew bubbles, so I cover it while stirring. Now stew is ready. Blend your beans with enough onions. After that, then I use my electrical mixer to mix it for like 5 minutes. Then add enough crayfish. Then add the fish stock. Yeah, I know I supposed to post this video as in all those things, but sorry, my phone messed up. I was unable to get all the clips, so that's why you see that there are some clips that are missing, but I'm explaining them. Okay, that sauce we made, add it and stir everything completely. Make sure you mix properly. I advise you can use banana leaf or anything to make your momo. Don't use plastic, it's not health wise. At least we're trying to eat healthy, and there are many good plates you can use, like steel. They have a lot of them there. You can get those ones. Okay, sweetie, don't use plastic, avoid them, so be safe. Okay, sweetheart? So after adding your fish, boiled egg, and tomato, layer them in your pot, add hot water. Okay, then cover it and allow it cook with its steam for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, your momo should be ready. Momo doesn't take too much long to be ready. 30 minutes to 35 minutes, your momo should be ready, depending on the heat you add to it. Sweetie, this mama was oozing everywhere. The aroma is out of this world. Will you be trying? Let me know what you think about it at the comment section. 30 minutes later, our mama is ready. So, dada, I love you all and see you all in my next one. Bye bye.